Hey guys, we are back. We just did the hike, so we're back and we are going to do a little photo shoot with some of my Star Wars things, and we're gonna put some fireworks in to make it look like real explosions. And we have to run some errands before we do that and get some fireworks. So you'll see us in a second. Aren't they shooting fireworks? I thought it was at New Year's Eve. Hey guys, so we are back. It's maybe an hour. We got all of these fireworks. We got rainbow little explosions. These will just explode colors. I'm really excited.
Let's not show them everything.
I know. I'm just showing them that. And that we need to go get a lighter at Food City because that's where his friend is. And we're gonna light some stuff and explode you.
Alright, so what's up? We are at the fireworks store, as Alice has just pointed out. We got a bag full of stuff.
And I only show you the rainbow, but we still have like 20 more things.
We got a bag full of stuff. We're gonna go find somewhere that's not raining. It's starting to rain here a little bit, but we got some waterproof stuff too. So, yeah. Worst case scenario, we're gonna set some stuff on fire, take some photos of it. It may be cool, it may not, but we're gonna have a good time either way, right, Alice?
Yeah.
It's the last day of the year, later 2020. We're going out in style. We're gonna blow some stuff up. All right, what's up? So, fireworks acquired. All errands ran. Balk is filthy. We decided to run up here to Holston Mountain since we have some fireworks to set off so we don't disturb anybody. We think we've had a pretty good spot. Let's flip you around there and show you.
This part, and we're gonna do some photos on these rocks right here and like make it look like some are getting shot off into the water.
You hear it, it's working.
That was funny. I told you. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Look, just the top fell over. But yeah, it's holes at the top. Like, look at the bottom. Look.
Go for it.
How did we do it the first time? There's so much more smoke now.
Alright, so stop one is done. We're back in the car. We blew some stuff up. We got mud all over all of my camera gear. But that was fun. Alice, right? Was that fun?
Yeah. We need to do it more often, just exploding things and me setting things on fire.
I think you might be a little obsessed with the lighter today and the lighting of the fireworks more than anything. But we're going to go down to the lake bed so we can find anything else real quick. If not, we'll just add the photos that we did.